Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Capital One Spark, detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest with Capital One Spark, start by creating an account on their website. Visit the Capital One Spark homepage to begin the registration process. Click on the Sign Up button to access the registration form. Enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the requirements outlined on the page. Once you've filled in your details, read and agree to the terms and conditions. After submission, check your email for a verification link from Capital One. Click the link to verify your email address. Once your email is verified, log back into your new Capital One account. Navigate to the investment section within your account dashboard. Explore the different investment options available, such as stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Select the type of investment you're interested in and read relevant information. Assess your risk tolerance and investment goals before making a decision. After selecting your desired investment, choose how much money you want to invest. Review any associated fees or commissions for the investment you are considering. Proceed to confirm your investment by clicking on the Invest button. You may be prompted to set up funding for your investment account. Choose your funding source, which may include linking a current checking or savings account. Complete any necessary verification steps to finalize the funding setup. Once your account is funded, you can view your investment portfolio. Monitor your investments regularly by logging into your account. Make adjustments to your investment strategy as needed based on performance. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you have questions about your investments. Stay informed about market trends and news that may affect your investments. Revisit your investment goals periodically to ensure alignment with your current situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.